Sino mabait? Si BBM o si Martin? Baka si BBM. Ang mabait. I think hindi ako naniniwala na mabait si BBM. Kasi, bakit niya ginawa ito kay Sara Duterte? He begged her to be his running mate. Or siya ang vice president kung tatakbo si Sara president. Sara slid down. There were only 4 people in that room. BBM,
Were you there?
no, person A, and Sara. The person A told me. So, pinagbigyan ka na without even conditions kung kanino yung secretary of ganito, portfolio akin, ganyan. Wala daw demand si Sara Duterte. Tapos within 1 year, sinaksak mo na. Pinalitan mo yung speaker. Dapat si GMA yung speaker. Kasi ang gusto talaga ni Martin Luther King Romualdez, siya ang speaker because he wanted to be the next president. So inintriga niya ngayon si BBM. Na yan, si Sara, sasaksakin ka niya, and she's gonna topple you. Hello? Kung gusto siyang itapol ni Sara, why didn't she just run in the first place for president? Nandun na yun sa kanya, na silver, golden platter. Kasi lang, pag alam mo, pag nagko-cocaine, naprapraning.
Paranoia.
Paranoia is really a symptom
Anong mga
of
signs na
cocaine
anong mga
addiction.
signs na nagko-cocaine si BBM?
With apologies to those who have Tourette syndrome na mga PWD, ha? Tingnan itong Joe. Diba, I became famous nung kampanya, may hawak akong Coca-Cola. Umiinom ako, tapos gumagano'n yung Joe. That's cocaine, Joe. Kita mo yung gritting of the teeth. Nag-grit yung teeth. That's cocaine.